conduits on our board. All of the conduits on this board are 1/2 inch, but I want you to get in the habit of saying 1/2 inch for each one. Because when you go to a wholesale house, you don't just say, I want a roll of flex. They're going to look at you funny. You're going to have to tell them the size that you want, because the conduits come in different sizes. So our first conduit here is 1/2 inch aluminum flex. Next we have 1/2 inch rigid non-metallic conduit, RNC. Now some of you may look at this and say, well, that's PVC. Well, yes, it is made out of PVC, but plumbers use PVC, electricians use rigid non-metallic conduit. It's also gray. Plumbing PVC is white, and gas is yellow. For electrical work, it has to be gray. Here we have 1/2 inch rigid metallic conduit. 1/2 inch steel flex. 1/2 inch electrical non-metallic tubing, or ENT. It's also called in the trade as Smurf flex, because this came out in the 1980s when Papa Smurf was a big hit. Lastly, you can kind of see it in between the boxes. That's electrical metallic tubing, or EMT. So we have aluminum flex, rigid non-metallic conduit, rigid metallic conduit, steel flex, electrical non-metallic tubing, and electrical metallic tubing.